Hey, this is Zach from Flox, and today we have some exciting news about CUDA support. You probably already know how to find the download link for the CUDA Toolkit. You already know how to run an install command with your package manager. These are kind of the traditional ways to get the CUDA Toolkit if you need it. What you probably don't know how to do, or probably can't do, is install CUDA reproducibly, so that everybody gets exactly the same version every single time. You also probably can't install independent CUDA stacks per project with no version conflicts. With Flox, you kind of get this for free. It's table stakes, how Flox works natively for any package. Well, as of today, you get precompiled CUDA libraries that have been patched to work reproducibly, and you also get pre-built packages that depend on those libraries. It used to be the case that in order to get these packages with built-in CUDA support, you'd have to compile them from source, and that takes a long time. Now, Flox and NVIDIA are working together to provide this to the Nix community and Flox users for free. And thanks to the hard work of the Nix community and specifically their CUDA maintainers team, you don't have to install the entire CUDA toolkit if you don't need it. You can install just the pieces that you need. So if you need the CUDA runtime, if you need CUDA BLAS, NVCC, whatever the case may be, you can install just the parts that matter, and you don't have to download the whole roughly 8 GB CUDA toolkit. Let's see this in action. First, we're going to take a look at the Flox CUDA samples repository. This is a fork of NVIDIA's own CUDA samples repository, where all we've done is add in a Flox environment. The first thing we're going to do is clone the repository, and then check out the flox.inv branch. Now activate the environment. Fair warning, this is a big environment because it contains the entire CUDA toolkit, along with all the dependencies necessary for all of the examples. Let's navigate to one of the examples, then build and run it. Nice. Worked like a charm. I encourage you to play around in this repository. There's examples covering big particles, small particles, fluids, simulated water, and more. It's pretty neat. Finally, let's see a PyTorch example. Here I've installed Python, PyTorch, and the Torch Vision packages so that I can run this MNIST example. This example is going to identify handwritten digits. This is kind of a classic machine learning problem. Let's go ahead and run it. 99% accuracy. Pretty good. This feature will initially be released as early access, but after a short time, it'll be released to both Flox users and the entire Nix community for free, thanks to the partnership between Flox, NVIDIA, and the Nix community's CUDA maintainers. That's it for now. Go build something cool.